However, it is important to note that the future of America will be shaped by various factors such as technological advancements, climate change, demographic shifts, and geopolitical changes. Some possible scenarios for the future of America include economic growth. America has been a global economic powerhouse for decades, and it is likely to continue to lead the world in innovation, technology, and finance. Political changes. The political landscape of America is constantly evolving, and it is possible that the country could see significant changes in the political system, including the rise of new political parties or movements. Demographic changes. America is becoming increasingly diverse, and this could have a significant impact on the country's culture, politics, and economy. Climate change. Climate change could have a profound impact on America, affecting everything from food production to infrastructure and leading to more frequent and severe weather events. Geopolitical changes. The global balance of power is shifting, and America's role in the world is likely to change as well. This could lead to new alliances, new conflicts, and new opportunities for the country. Ultimately, the future of America is uncertain, but it will be shaped by a combination of these and many other factors.